6 Powerful benefits of drumstick, Moringa, leaves. 1. Herb rich in nutrients, full of vitamins A, C, E, K, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. 2. Biceps boosts immunity, helps the body fight against infections. 3. Red heart good for heart health, reduces cholesterol and supports healthy blood circulation. 4. Brain improves brain function, antioxidants help in better memory and focus. 5. Fire reduces inflammation, naturally fights against body pain and swelling. 6. Pill controls blood sugar, helps manage diabetes by lowering sugar levels. Learn more about Moringa leaves and transform your health today.